I'm back again in my part 2 on how I edit my vlog. So, itong part 2 naman na to is how I put an audio in my vlog. So, paano nga ba lagyan audio yung KINEMASTer? Ano ang gagawin? Paano magkakaroon ng mga effects? Or paano magkakaroon ng mga effects? Or anything na mas mapapaganda ang inyong mga vlog. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is isi-screen recording ko ulit lahat ng mga kaganapan at gagawin natin para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano. Pero, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-watch ng part 1 ko on how I edit my vlog, panoorin nyo na guys. Okay? And we will begin now. Let's start! To begin with, make sure to download these documents in your App Store and we will use it later. Then we will go back to KINEMASTer and we will edit the previous vlog with audio and sound effects. So let's start. On the upper right corner, you will find the audio with the music icon. Then click music. Then click the house on the upper right corner to download more music. All this music are free and no copyright. Once it's finished, you will find it in the music. Then click the plus sign and it will be added on the video. To adjust the volume of the background music, you just have to click volume envelope. For the main reason na hindi ma-overpower ng background music ang main video. Hi guys! Welcome again to my vlog. And for today's vlog, i-share ko sa inyo on how. So, mapapansin nyo na medyo humina yung pinaka-background music niya. Ngayon naman, itataas natin siya into 100 into the original volume para makita ninyo yung difference. Hi guys! Welcome again to my vlog. And for today's vlog, i-share ko sa inyo on how I edit my vlog using an application in my phone. So now let's proceed to the sound effects. Just go to YouTube, then type YouTube sound effects, or you can type any sound effects you like. Just make sure there's no copyright. I choose this pop art. So once you're good with the sound effects that you like, just click share, then click copy link. After that, go to the documents. I mentioned it earlier to download it because we really need this one. On the lower right corner, you will find a circle blue icon. Just click it and it will proceed to the website. Just make sure to copy paste this website. Then click the MP3, paste the link and convert. Then click download. You can edit the name of the sound effects if you liked. Once the download is finished, you will find the purple violet folder. Just click it. Then you will see all your downloads. Then click the 3 dots below the sound effects you download. Then click share. Then look for the KINEMASTER. If you can find it there, just click more, the 3 dots again, and then copy to KINEMASTER. Once you click it, it will automatically proceed to KINEMASTER. Then click done. You will find the sound effects in audio, then internal. So if you want to put the sound effect in your video, just click the plus sign again. So gusto kong ilagay yung sound effect sa intro text ko, and in-adjust ko lang siya ng konti. Hi guys! Welcome again! Mapapansin nyo na hindi masyadong rinig yung sound effects. So, punta ako ng mixer, then in-adjust ko ng 200, then auto volume para mas marinig na. Hi guys! Welcome again! Hi guys! Welcome again to my vlog. And so, same goes with this one. Gusto kong lagyan ng pop sound yung kada word na lalabas. So, let's proceed again to audio, then internal, then click the pop sound plus sign. Then, i-adjust ko na kagad yung mixer niya, make it 200, then auto volume para mas marinig. To duplicate the sound effect, just click the 3 dots on the upper left corner, then duplicate para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa pagpapaulit-ulit ng procedure sa pagtaas ng volume ng sound effect. And for today's vlog, i-share ko sa inyo on how I edit my i-share ko sa inyo on how I edit. So let's start again. Just go to your YouTube and look for videos that you want to put in your vlog. Now I search for TV censor, no copyright. Make sure there's no copyright, guys. After that, just click share and then copy link. It's the same procedure we did a while ago for the audio. So let's go to documents again, then click the color blue in the lower right corner. Make sure to type this website again, and then for the videos, just click MP4, then paste the link and convert. So once it's done, just click download and then rename the video. Then go to the folder, downloads. Look for the video that you download and click the 3 dots again. Then click move. Then choose photos. Then the video will transfer to your photos. Now you can put the video in KINEMASTER. Just click media and then video, all, and then click the video that you download. O, diba? Madali lang siya, guys. So, kung may mga questions kayo or anything that you want to ask, just comment down below. And see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe.